Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting Talkback now. Open Settings, go to Accessibility and find Talkback. Once there, tap the toggle to enable it, then grant required permissions. This allows screen access and gestures. Make sure volume is up and headphones are disconnected for clear audio. If the toggle won't respond, try using 2 fingers to scroll and double tap to activate buttons. Talkback changes touch behavior. Once enabled, you'll hear spoken feedback confirming the feature is active, so pause and listen before proceeding to learn gestures. Now learn the essential gestures. Explore with 1 finger to hear item names, then double tap to activate what you've focused. 2-finger swipe up or down scrolls through lists and pages. Use 2 fingers to drag for precise movement. Practice switching focus quickly by swiping left or right with 1 finger. Once done, adjust speech rate and pitch in Talkback settings to match your listening preference, and enable the tutorial under Talkback settings to rehearse commands step by step, without changing phone content. Complete setup by customizing verbosity, sounds, and speech rate so feedback matches how you work. Enable spoken passwords if needed and review shortcuts like volume key toggles for quick disable. Once configured, run the Talkback tutorial to practice navigation and shortcuts in a safe, guided mode. If things go wrong and touch is unresponsive, press and hold both volume keys for 3 seconds to toggle Talkback or restart the phone. This fixes many common issues and restores normal touch behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.